Connecting speakers on gaming consoles is a bit indecisive since it was not promoted at the beginning of its era. On this video, I'm gonna share with you 8 ways to connect speaker to your Xbox One. Welcome back everyone, my name is Roland Uy. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and please share this video to your friends, especially those who have their Xbox One, Xbox One S, and Xbox One X. This will absolutely help them elevate their gaming setups. And by doing that, I want to thank you all in advance. Now let's go on to the video. First on the list is by using this optical cable and sometimes called the Toslink. These two are basically the same, just about the build quality. But let's use the tougher one. Of course, your speaker should have optical port as well. I have used my soundbar as an example. Simply plug it in and the other end to your Xbox One. Now let's go on to the second one. Still by using the optical cable, if your TV has this port, you can just simply plug it in, since your Xbox One is already connected to your TV and already sending audio via HDMI, so the sound will come from your TV to the speaker. Moving on to the third one. By using an auxiliary cable with 3.5mm male-to-male jack, simply plug it in from your TV or to your monitor, which has also this port, and the other end to the speaker with the same port. Alternatively, you can also use your Bluetooth speaker as wired. The fourth on the list is by using this optical auxiliary adapter. Take note that this needs its own power connection to work, and it comes with its USB cable which you can plug to the back of the Xbox One. Now plug an optical cable to the optical port and then the other end to the Xbox One. Then by using a stereo or auxiliary cable, you can plug to a speaker with 3.5mm port. Now the fifth one is basically the same, just by using an RCA cable, which is also available on this adapter. Then the other end to those speakers with RCA input ports like my Mackie CR3 here. The sixth way is the combination of the 3.5mm male on one end to 2 RCA male on the other. I don't have the same sample of the cable, but you got what I mean. Plug in the 3.5mm jack to the adapter, then the other end to the speaker's RCA input. The seventh way is by plugging in an auxiliary cable from the controller to the speaker's 3.5mm auxiliary in port. Now last but not least is by using Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth transmitter adapter with optical connector you can plug at the back of the Xbox One together with its USB power supply cord. You can check out my separate video link on top of the screen, and I also include down on the description. Please note to check out your Xbox One audio settings depending on the compatibility of your speakers, whether it's uncompressed stereo, DTS, or Dolby Digital, and whether it's 5.1 or 7.1 surround speakers. That would be all for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, and please let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. I will respond as quick as possible. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video.